Guys, me, Trev from Team G2, and
wait, it didn't show your face.
Hi, this is Trev from Team G2. Sorry. Oh yeah, and Gare from Team G2.
Hi.
And today,
Hey, watch our Minecraft videos, please.
We haven't posted any.
I know.
You poo-poo.
I know.
We'll be starting a new series, by the way, on that. Sorry, but the new update seems to not be coming. I thought it would come sooner. So check out news if you want to know about some more stuff. So, Garrett, you will be riding the dog. Today we'll be riding down the stairs. Dun dun dun.
Stairs.
Okay, so Garrett, grab the dog, and then I will be riding Austin the alligator. Come on, Austin.
And this is.
Okay, Garrett's up
This
first.
is Bronco the Bally.
Garrett's up
The
first.
dog. Grab his ears and I forget how to do this.
Hold his head up a little. And put your legs up. No, Garrett, no, not all the way.
Alright, let's go. Whoa. Okay.
Oh no.
Whoa.
Okay, now it's my turn. That was Austin.
No, that was the dog.
That was the dog. Now it's Trevor's turn.
I can't get down. Too fat, but I'm skinny.
Pull up his head.
I got it. Oh my gosh. Here. I remember.
It's about time we're gonna end this video. Just kidding. Oh gosh.
Whoa. Okay, I'm almost there. Oh no. Whoa. Okay, looks like I fell off my animal. Okay. So, by the way, guys, what that was we are doing a riding series.
And so the riding series is gonna be me and Garrett riding some stuff. First, it was just little stuffed animals. Next, you have to tune in, watch part 2 for the next one. Garrett, this is your second attempt. And then, so this was part 1 of 3. Now, the finale. There he goes. Okay. So you guys stay tuned. Search up part 2. And see you guys later.
We're making a part 2. Oh, cool. Bye.
Bye.